This is the Inter-Municipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament in Pampanga. Welcome to the 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup Elimination Round. As we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the municipality of San Fernando, Pampanga for the game number 1 for our long weekend action.
Makikita natin ang dalawang koponan na maglalaban-laban ngayon in our first game. Kian De La Cruz of Bayung Masantol, the best player of the game in their last win dito. Looking to make it 2 consecutive victories in their tournament lives dito. Makakatapat nila Jean Layug and the rest of Floridablanca looking to snap the top seed sa bracket B dito sa ating tournament in this Delta Cup.
As we will bear witness the battle of these two teams, the ABE ABE King PANYULONG FLORIDABLANCA kontra BAYUNG MASANTOL. At mamaya po for the game number 2, Minalin All-Stars kontra Santa Ana United. And for our game number 3, Villa de Bacolor kontra I Love San Simon. And for game number 4, Level Up Libao kontra Mabalacat City MCG Cares. And for our main game, Apalit I Love It kontra Angeles City Red Warriors. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo mga kabalen. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me is my brother and mentor in the hardcourt, Enzo Galarosa. Enzo, good morning.
Good morning sa iyo, Penelope, and good morning sa lahat ng mga nakatutok ngayon from Pampanga ngayon mga kabalen. I'm very excited for this ball game dahil nga we're gonna see some of the brightest stars shine brighter than the sun in today's ball game.
And yes, Enzo, as sabi mo mga na matututukan natin, ang games dito sa Delta Cup sa ating through our social media accounts, unahin na natin on our Facebook, sa Facebook page of Pampanga PIO. And syempre meron din yan sa ating YouTube channel ng Pampanga_PIO at sa YouTube channel ng Sinag Liga TV.
Yes, and as yun nga, nasa elimination round tayo, as you said no opening mo, Penelope, let's take a look at how are we going to go about this tournament. And we can see the tournament formats. 21 towns will be divided into 2 groups, Group A and Group B, consisting of 11 towns in Group A and 10 for Group B. Each group will play a single round robin, and the top 8 teams of each group will advance to the quarterfinals round 1, wherein the top 4 teams will have a twice-to-beat advantage. Sa quarterfinals round 1, it will be a parang maglalaban ng 1 versus 8, 2 versus 7, 3 versus 6, 4 versus 5. And then, yung makakapasok doon, maglalaban-laban sila. The top 4 teams that will qualify after quarterfinals round 1, sa quarterfinals round 2, magkakaroon tayo ng crossover round. And then the top 4 teams from that crossover round will go into the semifinals kung saan lahat ng 4 na teams magkakaroon ng single round robin, and the top 2 teams will advance to the final round. The 3rd and 4th seed doon sa single round robin ng semifinals, magkakaroon ng knockout game to determine sino ba ang 3rd placer, sino ba ang 4th placer, and the best 2 teams, the number 1 and the number 2 teams after the semifinals round, yung naka-qualify for the finals, magkakaroon ng best of 3 in the championships.
And yes, huwag na natin patagalin tong first game natin.
Yes, and tingnan muna natin, Penelope, yung team standings natin dito.
Na-excite ako dun.
Oo. Kaya na-excite naman talaga. Kasi nga, if makikita natin ang team standings natin dito for Bracket B, we can see etong Floridablanca is the top-seeded team in Bracket B at 5-1. Isang beses pa lang sila natatalo dito sa ating tournament. But on the other hand, ang kalaban nila, itong Minalin All-Stars, are in the middle of the pack. They're in the playoffs, but they're in the outside looking in of the top 4 for a twice to beat. Manalo sila, aangat tuloy itong Minalin All-Stars, only trailing behind the number 4 seed United Tomashan Ballers. So important to for Minalin All-Stars if they want to have a twice to beat advantage coming into the playoffs. But if you're Florida Blanca, you want to win this to secure na kayo na ang number 1 seed coming into the playoffs.
And with that, coming up is the battle between the ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca contra Bayung Masantol. And to announce our starters of the game, I'm now turning it to Ram Valid.
Maabag kay kayungan, Kavalan Sports fans, live po tamo kay kang BREN GUIAO Convention Center, San Fernando City, Pampanga. Welcome to Delta Cup Intermunicipalities and Cities Basketball Tournament 2023. Presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and powered by coverage partner Sinag Liga Asia. We're also live at Sinag Liga Asia FB page and YouTube channel at Sinag Liga TV and Pampanga PIO. Our first game for today, the battles between ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca and your Bayung Masantol. And now let's meet the starting lineup for both teams. First, for your Florida Blanca. Point guard number 4, Rene Manalang. Shooting guard number 25, Aldrin Serrano. Small forward number 5, Kerwin Mananzala. Power forward number 11, Clyde Alquero. And center number 24, Renzel Tayay. Head coach for Florida Blanca is Beans Patrick Ikban. Assistant coach Jason Sundiam. Your Florida Blanca. And now let's meet the starting lineup for your Bayung Masantol. Point guard number 13, Carl Soriano. Shooting guard number 11, Kian De La Cruz. At forward number 25, Yang Francisco. The other forward number 1, LM De La Cruz. And center number 6, Alan Sunga. Head coach for Bayang Masantol is Andre Lacap. Assistant coaches Rap Bustos, Joshua Dizon, Nico Ocampo, Paulo Sigua, and JC Sarmiento. Your Bayong Masantol. Game officials charged in action, Dennis Escaro, John Lisigues, and Andro Publico. This is your Delta Cup 2023 Intermunicipalities.
Yes, and here we can see the starters for Florida Blanca. We have Serrano, Manalang, Tayag, Alquero, and Manansala. And for the side of Masantol, we have De La Cruz, Soriano, Sungad, De La Cruz again, and Usi. Here we can see as the start of our ball game. First ball possession is at the side of Florida Blanca.
Oh, agad-agad umatake. And may putback para dito.
And an easy 2-point for the side of Florida Blanca.
Good offensive rebounding is one thing that we should focus on, Penelope, on the side of Florida Blanca. They have 3 amazing big men dito. Itong si Tayag, and off the bench, 2 hustle rising sons, JP Manuel, and yun nga si Jean Bert Layug. Yun yung pwede nating i-focus on kasi nga itong Florida Blanca, we can see they're the taller team compared to Masantol. But Masantol, they are a fast break team, especially with their backcourt. Itong si Kian De La Cruz and Soriano joining the starting lineup, di ba? Look at that again, offensive rebounding na naman. At Guardia ba nakakuha ng putback itong si Manansala.
The first 2 points of nitong Florida Blanca ay galing sa kanilang offensive rebound.
Yes, and one thing para nga dito for Bayong Masantol is they have to box out. When you're facing a tall team, kagaya ng Florida Blanca, dapat gang rebound ang ginagawa nyo eh. I know that your advantage, as to what I said, as we can see Coach Vince Ikban, the head coach of Florida Blanca, sabi ko, advantage na itong Bayong Masantol is yung running game nila. But ngayon you have to sacrifice a little bit of that running game kasi nga, kailangan nyo rebound eh. Kasi kapag tumatakbo na yung ibang mga players, mismatch talaga sa ilalim dahil nga ang tatangkad na itong mga players ng Florida Blanca, especially at the center position.
Sabagay, kasi mo nga, medyo maliit yung mga players netong Masantol eh. So nahihirapan sila makipagsabayan sa ginagawa sa kanilang depensa ng Florida Blanca.
Yes, and actually si Alquero nga, starting center ngayon ni Coach Vince Icban. It's normally JP Manuel, di ba? But you can see, Vince Icban himself, a former Pampanga Delta player, a champion with Pampanga Delta. Kaya lang siya hindi nakalaro nung Born 2001 natin. Actually, kausap ko siya while the tournament was ongoing nung sinagliga siya Born 2001. Kausap ko siya. Sabi niya, sayang eh. 2000 kasi ako pinanganak. Yun yung sabi niya. I mean, he could have been part of that team kasi, oh, good pass! Sayang lang, di na-finish ni Tayag. But yun nga eh, Coach Vince Icban, a very smart player, won numerous championships for the province of Pampanga. And now he's taking on parang a head coaching job ala Coach Ernest Alaw, di ba? Young player, try to
Actually,
get
that's
into
I'm going to
coaching,
say,
diba?
Enzo, medyo mas matanda lang sa akin si Coach Vince ng isang taon. But then,
Diba?
it's really sobrang saya makakita ng parang, alam mo yun, kedad mo, and then meron na siyang courage to take on a team, to lead it.
Yes, and there's a technical foul whistled already dito sa laro. Early on.
And to mention, Enzo, the first points of Florida Blanca came from Manansala, if I'm not mistaken.
It's Alquero and then yung last one was Manansala.
Manansala.
Yes. Yun yung talagang offensive rebounding eh. And medyo there was a double technical whistle pa. It's double tech ang nangyari, not just one technical. So both, I think it was Alquero and si Sunga ang nabigyan ng double technical. So no free throw ang
And a
mabibigay.
steal for the side of Masantol.
Uh-oh. No. Those were the shots that Kian De La Cruz was hitting the last game ng Masantol. Oh, good pass. Uy, niluwa pa, pero
But then, a put back there for Manansala.
ano naman, di ba? Now he has 4 points already to his name, di ba? I mean, kitang-kita natin again, the offensive rebounding for Florida Blanca, talagang andyan yung dugo ng hustle, di ba? I'm not talking about the team, I'm talking about the word hustle mismo, di ba? Energetic,
Exactly.
yung effort. Grabe naman yung banggaan mid-air na yun ni Manansala.
And you know, Enzo, given this early,
Oh, wow!
mahirap maglaro ng ganito kaaga.
Well, that is true, ha? Especially kung hindi ka sanay.
Pero madami namang mga basketball player na naglalaro. Di ba? Especially may mga athletes tayo na maaga nagtitraining.
Yes, and actually sa mga bata, mas sanay silang maglaro ng ganitong oras. Eh,
But then it's given a weekend.
Oo. Pero kung yung mga lakas 40 nga, di ba? sila yung nagre-reklamo na bakit daw maaga yung mga games natin minsan. Maaga, 6 o'clock. Oh! Nabitin lang. And on the other end, ang bilis makababa ng depensa na itong Florida Blanca. No open look. Soriano misses that time.
Laging kinukulang sa layup yung Masantol eh.
well,
Yung mga attack nila,
Baka tulog
it
pa yung
could have been a
katawan.
list actually.
Pero-
Nagwa-warm up pa lang.
Oo.
Because as we are approaching 6 minutes and 19 seconds for this first quarter with 6 for Florida Blanca and 4 for the side of Masantol, and an easy basket again for the guy of Coach Vince Icban.
Manansala.
Already a 6 points.
Yes, and this
For
time hindi na
Manansala.
putback ang ginawa ni Manansala. Layup na ginawa niya. I mean, all 6 points come by the painted area dahil nga tinitake advantage nila yung height nila eh.
And they're taking and another one, an easy
8 points
basket again for him.
Grabe. Maganda gising nito ni Manansala ngayong araw. Pero
Ano kaya breakfast niyan?
may chance pa hindi kumakain. Alam mo ba, may mga ibang players na pag alam nila maaga laro nila, imbis na kakain sila ng umaga, sa gabi, dun sila kakain ng marami. Para sa morning, hindi mabigat yung feeling nila.
Actually, sa ganyan ako na naglalaro ako. As we can see here,
Alam mo, hindi ka basketball.
volleyball. Ganun din naman.
Oo. And eto na yung platoon substitution na known si Coach Vince Icban and 2 Hustle Rising Suns.
Ayan na yung naantay.
Oo.
Sinasabi
Speedy
mo
Harvey
yan. Coming
Salvador
off
and
the
Jim
bench.
Layog. Ito talaga yung parang patent ni Coach Vince Icban eh. Yung fresh legs at all times. And that's why kita natin 6-1. Isang beses pa lang natatalo dito ang Florida Blanca. But good move galing dito kay Francisco.
Tignan natin kung paano mag-a-adjust ng mga players ni Coach Vince coming off the bench.
No joke yung 6-1 record nila. I mean, nagano pa yan si Coach Vince Icban eh. I mean, nagte-training pa yan kasama tong mga players na to. He joins their practices. Kasi nga, parang ano siya eh, he's the type of player na lead by example. He knows how to play at this level. Again, champion nga yan for Pampanga Delta in lots of tournaments until na hindi na siya pwedeng mailaro, di ba? Kasi nga, overage na, ganun.
Nasagad na yung playing years.
Nasagad na yung playing years niya for those kinds of tournaments. Mga 21 under, 23 under, di ba? Pero yung IQ nito ni Coach Vince Icban eh, napakataas niyan. And I had a chance to cover him nung nag-champion sila in a different 21 under tournament. National champion pa sila at that. And he is the type of player na, okay, kapag anong sinabi ni Coach Pedic sa akin, anong sinabi ni Gob sa akin na trabaho ko, yun ang gagawin ko. Hindi ako magreklamo. Hindi niya kailangan score more ng 30. Hindi niya kailangan ng 30 minutes per game. Just give him a chance to play and he'll be as effective as anyone else on the floor. And yun yung pinipreach ni Coach Vince sa mga players niya dito sa Florida Blanca.
Which is
pinapakita naman
a perfect example and a perfect mindset din naman of a player.
Right. Easy basket underneath. Galing dito kay Lopez. Kakapasok pa lang, early 2 points agad para dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. O good drive by Soriano.
Grabe. Isa-isa silang lumilipad. But then, a missed pass for the side of Florida Blanca. Hindi niya in-expect yun.
Oo. Kala ni Lopez kasi pupunta sa corner itong si Orina. Pero libre si Harvey Salvador at his right. Hindi niya nakita. That's why he's apologizing to Speedy Harvey. But look at this. Orina, they go down low and then the extra pass papunta kay Lopez underneath. And that's an easy basket. Easy 2 points para sa Florida Blanca. They're up by 6. 12-6.
As we can see here, going back after the timeout, 3 minutes and 41 seconds remaining for our first quarter.
And you notice pa na, I mean, yesterday was your first day dito sa Delta Cup, diba? Last game na itong Florida Blanca, I just remembered, they faced off against San Fernando, Pampanga. Fernandino Kakayabe ka. And low-scoring ball game yun. And Harvey Salvador, 2 points nung halftime. Pagdating ng third quarter, 8 points. 8 points in the third quarter. He ended up, I think, 17, 18 points nung game na yun. And ang ginawa ni Harvey Salvador doon was not yung regular Speedy Harvey na nakita natin sa Sinagliga Asia Board 2001 Cup. What he did was, he was facilitating. Nung walang makashoot sa mga teammates niya, ang ginagawa lang niya, okay, tsaka ako titira pag wala. Last
Yan yung
option
laro
na ako.
na lamang ng una yung
San Fernando.
diba? And then
ng
they end up
tatlo.
58-48.
Yes. Low-scoring affair nga yun. It's surprising, di ba? Pero
Parang
yun
score
nga
lang yun for the third quarter. But then yung mga ganong score, yun yung nag-showcase ng magagandang defense for both teams.
Yes. And look at that. Again, the offensive rebounding and that, the guy that sinasabi ko nga, lots of talent and might be the next potential prospect big man coming out of Pampanga. Itong si Jin Layug. Look at that effort galing kay Layug. Of course, I say next best prospect kasi yung best big man prospect right now, and I'm saying that with take that with a grain of salt sa mga nanonood, pero kasi ang daming nagsasabi ngayon eh. The next best prospect na big man, sinasabi ng mga college analysts, is from Masantol, Pampanga. Kevin Santos of Letran, di ba?
Totoo.
Yun yung daming na papuri kay Kevin, di ba? And I see Jin Layug going the same route, di ba? Kita mo yung sipag nito ni Layug eh.
I witnessed Kevin Santos nung Sinagliga Asia Born 2001 Cup natin. Iba din naman talaga yung hustle niya given na kasabayan niya dun si Policarpio.
Oo.
Diba? He stand up, he showcase his talent. Kung ano yung sabihin sa kanya ni Coach Pedic, ipasok man siya, he perform. At ito yung ginagawa dito ni Jim Layog, di ba? Coming
Yes.
off the bench.
Para dito, Soriano with an easy layup para sa Bayong Masantol. And for Masantol, like I said, yan ang bubuhay sa kanila, the transition. Kasi pagdating sa half-court defense nitong Florida Blanca, napakahirap kasi they're
And a
funneling
three-point
everything.
shot, but no good for Orina.
Ito, go. Look at that.
But then, a steal.
Uh-oh. Speedy Harvey. Ay, nabitin pa. Sayang
Sayang
yun.
yung steal niya doon.
Oo. But nonetheless,
But then, tingnan mo yung sipag ng Florida Blanca when it comes to sa kanilang depensa. But then,
LM de
tinitake
la Cruz.
advantage kasi netong Masantol na hindi nawala yung starters netong Florida Blanca eh.
Well, actually, 5 on the floor. They could be the starters. Hindi ganun kalalim itong Florida
But then
Blanca.
siguro kakapasok lang din nila.
Oo, ano pa yan eh. Kailangan mong magpainit ng konti. Just so you can get into a rhythm. But, ito din kasing 5 ng Masantol on the floor. A good jumper right there by Lopez. Pero, para dito sa panig ng Masantol, yung past few possessions nila, yung past few points nila, come by the fast break. And yun yung talaga bubuhay sa kanila. Kasi pag dito sila sa half court, look at that. Every shot may contest. Every look merong hand in their face. But a good shot by LM de la Cruz.
That three-point shot is good
Back to back for
De La
LM.
Cruz, which makes them 1 point down
Yes.
from
And
Florida Blanca.
And yan yung kailangan nila din gawin, talking about Bayong Masantol. Knocking down their three-point shots. Kapag nag-shooting game to, itong Bayong Masantol, they can pull out itong si Jean Layog from the painted area. Wala nang rim protector, wala nang shot blocker ang Florida Blanca if they start hitting shots. And Bayong Masantol, all 5 players on the floor can hit three-point shots just like that for LM de la Cruz.
And the ball possession for the side of Bayung Masantol. With only 15 seconds remaining for our first quarter. Isa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Florida Blanca.
Siguro.
From 8
Yes.
points.
Siguro na ako si Coach
of this
Vince
ball
Iqbal.
game.
No, kung born 2000 lang cut-off natin, playing coach siguro to.
Oo.
Di ba?
Siguro hindi head coach kasi mahirap eh. But assistant coach, one of the coaches.
Basket counts for Kian De La Cruz. Very, very talented itong Kian De La Cruz na to. Just take a look at this. Kita niya, may help side defense. Binasa niya anong gagawin. Pagka-switch, walang nag-double sa kanya. Bangga kay Layog. Quick release layup para sa kanya. I mean,
Last 1 second what will Florida Blanca do? Hindi nila nakita yon that the time is going out. But then, that makes 18-16. Now in favor of Bayung Masantol. As we can see here, the players of Florida Blanca.
grabe, what a...
What a first quarter.
Oo, especially for
this
Bayong
ball game.
Masantol nung
They
naginit na yung De La Cruz.
started cold. But then, tinake advantage na yung substitution dito. As there, the highlights for Lopez. And a pass and a good three-pointer. The first three-point shot of the ball game. Galing dito sa Bayong Masantol. And that ends our first quarter, 18-16. And we will be right back. Here, as we can see on the screen, is the Bayong Masantol and other players. No substitution for the side of Bayong Masantol.
Imagine mo, di ba? Again, if available lang yung mga UAAP and NCAA players to play in this tournament, how good Bayong Masantol should be, di ba?
Totoo.
Di ba? With Kevin Santos manning the paint. Tapos kasama niya yung Kian De La Cruz, itong si Soriano. As there's a clock malfunction, gumagalaw yung shot clock except for the game clock. Yung game clock hindi gumagalaw. So no basket yan for Bayong Masantol. As we can see the bench of Bayung Masantol right there. And their head coach. Si Coach Aldrey Lakap. As may naayos pa ng ating mga table officials yung clock natin dito. And 9:56 ang official time natin. And ito yung shot clock naman ang inaayos. It was 15 earlier, so bababa nila dun sa 15. And one thing dito, Pena, you did ask, as we can see Coach Vince Ikban right there. But you did ask earlier kung gaano kahirap maglaro ng umaga.
Oo, totoo.
Ang ano dito kasi as a player, if sanay ka sa early morning trainings, you have no problem
The
playing a
three-point
game.
shot there.
Kian de la Cruz
By
na naman.
Ian de la Cruz. And so, na-cover mo na yung game na itong Masantol, di ba?
Yes.
Dala ba kasi silang de la Cruz dito? Kapatid niya ba yun?
I honestly do not know.
Yung LM, no?
Hindi ko alam. Well, pwede natin itanong kasi may mga kamag-anak nung nanonood from yung Pampanga PAYU FB pages. So sa mga
Nanonood po dyan.
po dyan,
Na-curious po kasi
help us, please.
Parehas po kasing de la Cruz eh.
Oo.
And hindi naman kasi imposible yun, Enzo. Tayo magkapatid sa isang team.
Oh. Pero let's take a look at this three-point shot again by Kian de la Cruz. Actually, ito Kian de la Cruz yung last game niya. He reminded me of one specific player na you know well, na I covered, and you also covered on the sidelines. Kobe Dalisay of Mapua.
Actually,
diba? He ganun yung play style nito.
The way na mag-shoot siya, the way he throw his ball.
Alam mo maaga, naka-shades pa sila uwi, di ba?
Masakit pa yung sa mata yung araw kasi.
May araw dito sa BREN GUIAO.
Sobrang liwanag naman kasi
Hindi,
dito
ano yan,
sa
kita.
Brenda.
Kasi nga, ano, di ba? Sinag.
Nasisilaw sila.
Oh! Grabe naman yun for Cortez. Hindi lang talaga pumasok.
You know, as nag-start na medyo malamig-lamig ang place na itong Bayong Masantol, but now, parang yung Florida Blanca naman yung nag-a-adjust sa ginagawa nila facing as a good jumper there.
Si Joshua
For
Cortez.
Cortez.
Oo. Kanina, he missed that beautiful spin move layup. Pero ngayon, bumawi siya, di ba? I mean, para dito sa Bayong Masantol, this is what they have to do. Di ba? Take advantage na medyo nagkakagulo ng konti defensively etong Florida Blanca. But ito, bumalik na yung, I call this the triple tower of Florida Blanca. Layug, Manansala, and JP Manuel. Ang tangkad nung tatlo, di ba? And Manansala's playing the 3 spot.
Naubusan ng oras doon yung Florida Blanca kanina. Ayun na, Enzo, parang may magdadunk na ulit.
Si Uzi, no? Pero
Kahapon pa tayo nag-aantay.
Hindi, munti ka na yung kay Kent Montalvo kahapon. Apalit, I love it. And maybe later, if you're the one, ikaw ba? Mamaya sa Apalit, I love it. Magandang laban yun, ha?
Kakayanin.
Pero, no question, that is gonna be a really good
Actually,
game. Yung main event natin between Apalit, I love it, and Macabebe Red Warriors. Two of the top teams ng Bracket A. Number 1 and number 2 seed yun. So that's going to be a really, really good game. I'm sad. I won't be here for that, but you know, I am...
Then, Enzo, yun nga, sabi mo sad ka kasi mawawala ka. But then I want to greet your mom.
Bukas pa.
An advance happy birthday. Hindi pa kasi ako tapos na naman
Well, thank you so much. I mean, di ba, 45 years young ang nanay ko, di ba?
Magkait sila ni mommy.
Di ba? Kaya nga magkapatid tayo.
Maaga ka lang pinanganak ng auntie sa akin.
Loko-loko, asara ako sa'yo. Na-offend ako dun, Ka-age lang tayo, huy.
Uy, hindi Ay,
No, why?
and speaking of age, you're 3 years older than me and a 3-point shot there for Kerwin Manansala.
How am I 3 years older than you?
Bakit na nakasang katandaan?
Magtatatalo na sa Wednesday. Hindi pa, wala pa. Magkantay ka kasi mag-birthday ko na. Doon mo sabihin yung 3 years. 2 years pa lang ngayon.
Ganun din naman.
O, sige na nga. Napatanda mo ko, Pwede pa
And a
ako.
good swipe there for Manansala. You know, here, may naalala akong player dito kay Kerwin Manansala
Sino? Ano, parang kay Gani Stevens na naman yan,
Oo nga hindi, meron talaga.
Describe mo na lang.
Mamaya, iisipin ko.
Ano ba siya? Sa Sinag mo nakita? Or UAP, NCAS? Tingnan natin dito. Look at that. 3-pointer by Kerwin Manansala. Just stepped into it. Sino?
Mamaya, maaalala ko
Hindi,
yun.
describe mo na lang sino yung player na yan.
Hindi, the way, hindi yung itsura niya, hindi yung physical output
Oo
niya,
naman.
but the way he plays.
Sino nga? I mean, saan siya naglaro? Saan naglaro yung player na yun?
Hindi ko talaga maalala. Wait lang.
Kahit yung team na pinaglaruan?
Oo.
para mo sinabi na ano eh. May naaalala ko eh, pero di ko rin naaalala eh. parang ganun sinabi.
Mamaya, baka makita ko pag nag-scroll ako sa Instagram.
Ikaw na nang laglag sa sarili mo. Ikaw na nang laglag sa sarili mo. Look at that. I mean, one thing dito para sa panig ng Florida Blanca, they are prone to doing this a lot. Now, one pass, bigla na lang nakakalimutan nila yung what makes them good is yung extra passes nila. I mean, minsan, I can see Coach Vince Icban, kahit pumasok yung tira mo, sinasabi niya, good shot, pero pwede mo yung extra pass pa yun. Parang beautiful basketball ang tinatawag dyan ng mga coaches eh. And Coach Vince Icban loves those kinds of plays, and also he plays that way kasi as a point guard. And known si Coach Vince Icban to do that. As we can see him on your screens. Known siya to do that, di ba? Ito si Coach Vince Icban. Pero may funny story ako about Coach Vince Icban. And for sure, magme-message yan sa akin na, ba't mo na naman kinwento? Gagano na naman yan. When they were playing in Cebu for a national championship tournament, nagkaroon sila ng trending moment ng isang player doon sa Cebu, si Keaton Clyde Taburnal, na nagkainitan sila ng konti, tapos nagkadikit sila. Tapos parang nag-kissing sign silang dalawa. Kasi nga, sabi ni Ikban kay Taburnal na parang, lapit mo na sa akin para mo halikan. Tapos sabi ni Taburnal, parang yung nag-pout siya ng lips. Tapos si Ikban din, hindi naman nagpapatalo to si Coach Vince. Matibay na player to. Nag-pout din siya, parang nag-anuhan sila ng kiss. And then I asked him about it, sabi niya, wala lang po, asaran lang talaga yung kuya. Asaran ng players lang. I mean,
but then it's a good relationship between a player, especially sa opponent mo eh. No?
Oo, and actually, ang nakakatawa doon, nagkakainitan silang dalawa, pero nagawa pa sila ng asaran na gano'n na nakakatawa. And then after the game, sila pa yung, nakita ko yun eh, na nanonood lang ako sa live. I was not in Cebu doon. Nag-meet sila in the middle after the game, and sila pa yung dalawang unang players na nag-akapat, di ba? I mean, we know that sa lakas 40 ng Sinagliga Asia, di ba, na magkakainitan tayo on the court. But after the game, kaibigan na tayo. Oo. Lalong-lalo na dito sa panig ng sa province ng Pampanga, di ba? Yes, we may be wearing different jerseys right now.
But then, galing lang tayo sa
pero
Pampanga.
Pampanga pa rin tayo, Kapampangan pa rin tayo, and we all want to, you know, just play for our future, di ba? Yun na naman eh.
And play for Pampanga as well, di ba? It's an honor na rin to play for your city.
Oo, I mean, yun na talaga yung parang end goal ng mga players dito talaga is to, you know, someday, one day, be part of a team, di ba? Double dribble is whistled out right there para dito kay Gregorio. And speaking of, nabanggit ko ang Cebu, sa mga taga-Visayas dyan, abangan ang Sinagliga Asia 17 under and 19 under coming this April. If you're interested, please reach out through the USC head coach and our deputy commissioner for Visayas, Coach Paul, the master of disaster Joven, and our SLA Visayas partner, Boss Chase Kokalyong. Boss Chase and Coach Paul, see you soon.
Alam mo, Enzo, hindi ko kasi inabutan si Coach Paul Joven eh. But then I heard from our dear friend Nino, and watching your other games before, gusto ko makapartner talaga before. Si Coach Paul, ikaw, si Papa Bear. And alam mo, gusto ko din dati makapartner si Nino eh. Lahat kayo actually.
Nabanggit mo pa talaga si Brother Abanid. Pero Coach Paul Joven, I mean, he is my mentor talaga. Him and Direk Nomar, hindi ko makakalimutan yun nga, yung in-offer nila sa akin na magkakaroon ng 21 under tournament in the previous time that I was with a different league pa. Sinabi nila sa akin, magkakaroon ng 21 under tournament, do you want to try? And sinabi ko, yes, gusto ko po talaga masubukan. And sinabi nila, the reason why they trusted me kasi kapag gusto mo, regardless of the situation, as Kian De La Cruz knocks it down.
Another three-point shot.
And I quote Coach Paul Joven, when in doubt, shoot. Diba? Nagpapag-usapan natin siya. Kian De La Cruz has that kind of attitude. When in doubt, shoot. Itong mentality ni Kian De La Cruz. A 7-point lead now for Bayung Masantol after this beautiful rainbow shot galing dito kay Kian De La Cruz.
As we are on the 3 minutes and 51 seconds for our ball game, our score is 32-25. As we can see here, going back at the 3 minutes and 51 seconds of our second quarter, 32-25. Enzo, what a change of favors for this ball game.
Kian de la Cruz kasi natatawa ko dito kay referee natin kay Dennis.
Nilalagnat daw siya.
Kung ano sinasabi.
Ang lamig daw.
Ang lamig.
Hindi naman.
Naligo kaya yan, di ba? Paano ko giginawin kung naligo, di ba? Pero, I mean, if you're Bayung Masantol, they're doing the things that I said at the top of the coverage, di ba? Yung 3-point shots, gang rebounding yung pinaka-importante. I mean, tinan nyo.
In and out, but I'll put back there, jumper, still no good.
Grabe. Speedy Harvey just powered through
But
that box out.
Almost a steal. And yes, a steal for the side of Bayung Masantol.
Eto,
Alam mo,
this is
so
where they
grabe
go
na yung
down.
hustle neto. Ano, parang nagpalit na sila ng gameplays. And another!
I told you, it's the running game
Sobrang
neto.
hirap na shot for Kian de la Cruz, but then he made it through the basket.
Grabe. And Harvey Salvador fouled him hard.
And a 2 bonus free throw for that.
Yun yung tinatawag na, mention Papa Bear, Benji Paras. Yun yung tinatawag ni Papa Bear na tagak talaga na foul eh. Yung insurance foul ba? You're not there to hurt the player. Pero maninigurado ka lang na hindi niya masushoot to. Pero yung power ni Kian de la Cruz to put that back up and in. I mean, again, the resemblance to Kobe Dalisay, di ba?
Totoo.
Player from Chaong Quezon, playing
Ganyan-ganyan
for
kasipag
Papua.
si ano eh.
And then, ganyan ka-explosive na
Oo,
scorer. And
totoo.
actually, ano ba, magkahitata sila, di ba? Ni
Oo.
Kian de la Cruz.
Hindi, actually, sakad si Kobe ng onte.
Eh, di ba?
Kobe stands 5'11".
Mas matanda si Kobe Dalisay eh. Pero itong si Kian de la Cruz, he has the potential. I mean, a very explosive scorer.
Actually, parehas nga sila ng body build, ng
Mismo,
haircut.
diba?
Kaya na-mention mo nga na... And he also plays like Kobe Dalisay. No? Remembering sa isang conference natin, kahit saan mo bigyan si Kobe. It's even on the perimeter, on the middle.
Ganun
Kapag
din.
libre si Kobe, it's a sure 3-point shot. And as well as Kian de la Cruz, kahit
That time, Glenn Gregorio just attacked the basket and great call by the referees. Mahirap yung pintuhan eh. Yung may susundot sa likod, tapos mababatukan yung player. Doon, madalas and I say madalas, regardless of what level you are playing at, NBA, PBA, or even mga UAP, NCAA, pinireklamo ng mga players after nila lumayap, yung tatapikin yung ulo.
Mahirap yun
Oo,
mahuli.
kasi ano yan eh, kung referee ka, minsan hindi naman gagalo yung ulo ng player o yung buhok eh. O, topboard. Good pass.
The lead is now up to 10, Enzo, with 1 minute and 39 seconds remaining for our second quarter.
And don't look now. I mean, this 10-point lead for Bayung Masantol, ha?
A biggest lead, cut
Serrano.
down to 7.
And, So I saw that. Offensive foul. Naisahan nito ni Serrano si Kian de la Cruz. I mean, naisahan niya, dinikitan niya, and then Kian shoved him to get him off. Yung mga tinatawag na in-your-face defense eh. And again, Coach Vince Icban, the coach of Floridablanca, is like that. Tinan mo, sinusundan niya eh. And Kian, parang get off me ang ginawa niya. Binangga niya ng konti dun.
Yung hindi halata eh, no?
Oo. Pero nahalata na referee natin si John Lisiges, di ba? I mean, matatala siya eh. And speaking of Pen, we would like to announce the Sinag Liga Asia 19 under and 23 under Junior World Showcase Philippine qualifiers will start this coming March. As tingnan muna natin itong 3-point shot ni Serrano kanina. At yung qualifiers will start this coming March. So far, for mga interested na teams, to join, please email us or message us on our FB page kasi nga, meron na tayong mga confirmed teams that will be participating. Of course, like I said, the defending champions are back to defend their crown, ang Pampanga Delta. And also, nabanggit natin, multiple players from Floridablanca, Pampanga naglalaro dito. Ang Hustle Rising Suns ni Coach JR De La Cruz. And of course, ang Luwid 1 Kapampangan nila Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan, who will finalize their participation in MOA signing today. Ngayong araw, ifa-finalize ni Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan and nila Sir Rocky Chan and Boss Ray Alaw, nila Coach Leo yung signing ng Luwid 1 Kapampangan franchise. To their participation, not franchise, participation sa Sinagliga Asia upcoming tournaments. Also, ang nagbabanggit pa babalik daw, the Paranaque Pelicans of Coach Cesar Babasa. And as always, we binabanggit natin kanina, ang Leap Basketball of His Airness himself, Coach Ernest Alaw, and our brand new team, ang Camarines Norte. I am excited that Cam Norte is coming to
I'm
Sinagliga
so
Asia.
excited, Enzo, because hindi ko alam.
Oo.
Alam mo, actually, I wanted to still man the sidelines as here a timeout muna for the side of Masantol. And our score is 37-31. As we are now back here for the last 41 and 4 seconds of our first half.
Magandang umaga. And also, huwag natin kakalimutan kung hey Fachoy, di ba?
Happy Chinese New Year, mga kabalen. May saan po nakakabili dito ng tikoy? Comment naman po kayo dyan sa Facebook ng Pampanga PIO.
Well, we are... Tikoy hinahanap mo. Nandito tayo sa lantern, sa Land of the Lanterns eh. Yung mga parol dito, di ba?
Kaya nga.
Yung Christmas time dito, I mean, kitang-kita natin, di ba? Nung Christmas time, napakaganda dito sa
A
Pampanga.
perfect pass
Yes.
for the side of Floridablanca, but then an in and out and still
Yan.
a rebound
Yan
for
ang-
the side of Florida. Yan ang laro nila kanina.
Oo, yun ang nawala sa kanila, as I was
Good
gonna
pass
say.
there. But then almost a steal.
Oh, good spin. Look at that, another offensive
Last 8
rebound.
seconds. What will Floridablanca do?
3 seconds. Pahirapan. Great defense galing sa Bayong Masantol that time.
What
Kung ako
a
yun,
first half for both teams.
alam mo, mapasensya din tong Floridablanca. Hindi sila napikon sa Bayong Masantol na
Sobra.
ang kulit ng depensa nila. But nonetheless, what a defensive stance right here for Bayong Masantol. And we can see our second quarter highlights. It was Gian De La Cruz once again showing up big time, going en fuego in this second quarter. Knocking down 2 3-point shots. That 3-point play layup kanina against PD Harvey Salvador. Dito naman sa panig ng Floridablanca, medyo nawala yung hustle nila, yung effort on the rebounding kasi nga nagagang rebound na bigla tong Bayong Masantol, and that is why lamang ng 6 na puntos itong Bayong Masantol at the half, 37-31. Kapit lang po mga kabalin, magbabalik tayo dito sa 2024 Delta Cup.
still tuned at the 2023-2024 Delta Cup at the end of the first half. 37-31 in favor of Bayung Masantol. And still together with me is my brother and the hardcourt, Enzo Galarosa, as we get to hear the halftime highlights.
As we can see nga yun nga Ben one thing para dito sa panig ng Bayong Masantol, it was their running game talaga na naligyan. Also their shooting. Two key points that I said nung simula ng laro natin that they have to do in order to win this ball game. And they started knocking down, especially coming by Kian de la Cruz. But dito naman para sa panig ng Florida Blanca, they have to continue to crash the boards dahil they're the taller team, they're the more athletic team in terms of leaping ability, di ba? But you know, yun ang medyo nawala sa kanila no second quarter and I think that's an area that for sure Coach Vince Icban told them, and outside of just playing defense on the three-point line, first quarter ang ganda ng depensa nila dun sa mga shooters netong Bayong Masantol. But nawala towards the end of that first quarter, and then nung second quarter fully nawala nga, dun nag-init si Kian de la Cruz. So I think they have to revert back to that defensive strategy. And again, knowing Coach Vince Icban, I'm pretty sure yun ang sinabi niya sa mga players niya. Just like that, coming out of the half, attack, then drop pass ang ginawa agad dito ni Serrano papunta kay Alquero.
Kasi Enzo, di ba, nabanggit mo nga yung depensa nila yung nagpalamang sa kanila nung first half natin, first quarter. But then, ngayon, nung second quarter, medyo nag-alangan na sila sa mga depensa nila at bumaliktad nga dito yung game face. Yung Masantol na with the aggressiveness of Kian de la Cruz.
Yes. And also, I think to note din kasi para dito sa Bayong Masantol, they adjusted really well, especially on rebounding. Like I said nga, yung pagtakbo nila in that first half, hindi na kagaya nung dati, nung last game nila, wherein pagka-rebound, bato sa front court sa tumatakbo sa nagli-leak out na player. In this game, gang rebound ang ginagawa nila. Tapos pag may opportunity to attack, that's when they attack as soon as scores a basket underneath. Kita mo, Coach Vince Icban, really not happy with the defensive effort of his team.
Nawala kasi yung hustle nila, Enzo. Di ba kanina banggit mo na iba yung hustle nila?
Mahirap yan pag wala yung hustle eh. Hindi naaangat yung araw eh.
And they're mentioning
Natawa siya.
wala yung hustle.
Yun, pagkasabi
But
natin
the hustle there?
Oo. Yun nga lang, naagaw din. Too much dribbling that time from Serrano. Pero ito, look at that. How simple it is for Kian de la Cruz to score.
But then yung playing, the way kung paano maglaro tong si Lopez, look at him. He looks like Penny Estacio.
Dami mo. Di mo pa nga naalala kay Manansal. Nakapag-compare ka ng panibago.
At least ngayon, alam ko na agad.
Nakapag-compare ka agad ng panibago ha. Bilis ha. Oh, good kick out. Good kick out pass. Sayang lang hindi na knockdown yung tres. Eh, Manansala goes all the way to the basket on the other end. Sino yung kino-compare mo?
Huwag mo nang tanongin, pinapahiya mo naman ako.
Hindi kita pinapahiya kasi gusto... Meron ako nasa isip eh.
Sige, sabihin mo.
Alex Stockton.
Hindi yun.
Hindi, para sa akin.
Para
sa akin. Especially yung Alex Stockton yung final years niya sa FEU. Na nag-turn into scorer si Alex Stockton. Look at that. Good defense na dapat para dito kay Alquero, pero nababa niya on the last second yung kamay niya. That's why it's called a foul. So Francisco will go to the free throw line. And alam mo, itong Masantol this is a team that when you look at them, pag tinignan mo sila, let's say na first time mong manonood ng Delta Cup, tapos nakita mo itong team ng Bayong Masantol, sabihin mo na, parang aliit nila.
Exactly. Yun
diba?
yung point of view ko sa kanila kanina nagwa-warm up sila.
Yung first impression nila, they don't look like a team that can beat itong Florida Blanca. But when you see them play, and kaya sabi ko maganda tong first game na to. Kasi mapalil lang yung tsura na itong Bayong Masantol eh. I mean, when you look at them, mukha silang tatalunan lang all the time na itong Florida Blanca. Florida Blanca's gonna just beat them. Lalo na if you look at the record ng Florida Blanca, 6-1 eh. Pero once ina-expect ko once magsimula maglaro to, and once Kian de la Cruz starts getting going, it opens up a lot of things for his teammates. Pero good drive that time para dito sa Florida Blanca.
I think the family and the fans, the supporters.
Serrano. Ang dami actually
Florida Blanca.
Ang dami nanonood dyan palagi kay Aldrin Serrano. Every game, marami siyang fans na parang siya yung super mangi na itong Florida Blanca. Eh. Oo. Parang si Super Mangi. Ang daming fans na ito ni Aldrin Serrano eh. Mga kaibigan. Ewan ko lang kung kaya ba niya yung 1,000 fans ni Super Mangi. Pero,
Yung
diba?
napupuno yung comment section.
Na puro Super Mangi na. Pero, I mean, yun yung following nila eh. I mean, these players, di ba? Ito yung inaasam nila eh. Mabigyan lang sila ng pangalan, mabigyan sila ng opportunity. Just like this good try by Aldrin Serrano using that Pinoy step and mahirap yung angle ng layup na yun, ha?
You know, one thing about Goodness Delta Cup nga, Enzo, is exactly, syempre sa basketball, you have to make your name.
Oh.
Diba? Hindi ka man sa collegiate nakilala, at least you have a name. Oh, ako si ano ng Delta Cup, diba? Ng ito yung city ko.
Yes. And this is why Gov Delta created this. Of course, again, one more time, hindi tayo mapapagod pasalamatan itong si Governor Dennis Delta Pinedo, the beloved governor of the province of Pampanga. We will never, ever stop thanking him. Not just for the support sa atin sa Sinagliga siya, but yung tinan mo, yung supporta niya din sa mga bata na naglalaro dito sa Pampanga. Basta nangangarap ka, you will get an opportunity.
And hindi lang din naman sa mga bata yung suporta ni Gov, di ba? At you know how supportive he is to the Philippine basketball.
Yes. I mean, you know, one thing about Gov is basta may pangarap ka and you're willing to do the work, he will help you out.
Kapag mahal mo yung ginagawa mo,
Oo.
wala siyang pagdadalawang isip tutulungan.
Totoo. And I mean, nung lakas 40 nga natin eh, walang team ang Pampanga and yet nanonood siya. Diba? I mean, that's how supportive Gov is. Eh kasi nakita niya sa atin, sa mga staff na Sinagliga Asia, from the table officials, our directors, tayong mga talent, to the administrators natin, even down sa mga driver natin, di ba? Sa mga nag-aasikaso lang ng pagkain. Nakita ni Gov na mahal natin yung liga, mahal natin yung ginagawa natin. And that's why he continues to na kahit walang team, papanoorin ko tong ano na to. And even to the point na may mga Kapampangan na nanonood lagi sa games natin. And sabi nga nila, kailan po balik nyo sa Pampanga? Comment sa FB
Malapit
na
na po ulit.
Oo. Actually, March na nga, di ba? Pinanos na ng Saraki. Look at that power move by Lopez. Ayaw pa rin talaga. And look at that. How many blue shirts were there compared to the white shirts, di ba? 3 blue shirts, 2 white shirts lang.
Luck is not on the side of the Florida Blanca for today. Or may I say, for the second half of this ball game.
Well, this is a guy that can take over anytime, but he misses that layup, a wild layup right there for Speedy Harvey. And speaking of suporta, yung ganda ng coverage ng Delta Cup in even Sinagliga Asia, hindi possible to kung wala ang Video Gear Incorporated. Of course, Tito Fernan Obrero and the rest of the hardworking men behind the scenes. Sila Kuya Totoy Obrero, sila Emerson, siyempre, andyan sila Henry Solis.
Totoo naman.
Diba? Si Boss Arnel, si Julian, mga napakagaling nating camera, si Kuya Vic, Kuya Saldi, si Kuya Dowie. Siyempre, ang idolo ng lahat, si Pus John na wala ngayon. Pero kasama natin siya palagi. Diba? Yun, meron daw ako soft drinks.
Ako wala.
Di mo binanggit eh. Pero love natin yan. I mean, yung Video Gear, we cannot thank you enough, guys. Kayo yung nagpapaganda ng games ng Sinag. Kailangan talagang bigyan ng shine ng Video Gear. Kaya, Tito Fernan, love na love ka namin. Lalong-lalo ka na, Kuya Totoy. Love na love kita.
Baka daw po pwede makahingi si Enzo ng isang OB ban.
Ay, hindi ko yung OB ban. Oh, good up fake by Alquero. There you go. If you're Florida Blanca, that's one thing you have to do. Slow the game down.
Actually, Enzo, yun yung laro nila kanina eh.
Oo, mabagal eh. Kasi kapag takbuhan, hindi ka naman makakasabay dito sa Bayong Masantol eh. Mabilis sila masyado. And all 5 players can shoot from the outside. All 5 players can run. But you have to be the team.
But then there's the guy.
Again, Kian
De La Cruz.
Ibang klase. Ba? Alam mo na kulang na ito ni Kian De La Cruz? Kailangan niya ng Clint Escamis na tandem.
Totoo.
Serrano's pull-up jumper.
Pag may point guard kang Clint Escamis.
Parang may binabalikan siya. May binabalikan siya.
Bakit?
Open pass! Wow! Great pass right there by Soriano to Francisco.
Yeah, binabanggit mo kasi eh.
Oo.
Sana daw.
Nakatingin si Soriano kay Uzi. Ibibigay pala kay Francisco. Great no-look right there from Soriano. Tingnan natin muna itong napakagandang spin move dito ni Kian De La Cruz. And then look at that. He was looking at Uzi and then gave it to Francisco for the easy 2 points that time. What a run para dito sa Bayong Masantol. Our score 49-40. Mga kasinag, the Sinag Liga Asia Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent sa sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through Facebook, our Facebook page at Sinag Liga Asia kung interested kayo. Kasi nga, meron na mga teams that have shown interest or have already confirmed. Of course, the defending champions, the Pampanga Delta is there. The Hustle Rising Suns ni Coach JR De La Cruz and some of the players playing right now for Florida Blanca in this game, andun na din daw or mamaya magpipirma na ng MOA signing. Magpipirma na ng MOA signing.
Malaking franchise nun.
Oo. Magkakaroon ng MOA signing si Coach Jonathan Benedict Buwan and Sir Rocky Chan for Luid Juan Kapampangan. Nag-show interest ang Parañaque Pelicans. Of course, ang leap basketball ni Coach Ernest Alaw.
And as a traveling call there, Enzo.
Yes.
And alam mo, di ba, Enzo, nabanggit mo din kanina that there will be a new team for Sinag Liga.
Ang Camarines
Asia.
Norte. Alam mo ba, yung Cam Norte na yan, you know, may pro team sila na sinusuportahan ko eh. And I'm excited to see, kasi nga maraming talented players from Camarines Norte in that region. Ha?
Bakit mo sinusuporta?
My friend James Martinez is there. Nandun si Kuya James eh.
Ano pa?
And si Kuya James kasi, ano yan eh, nag-show interest si Kuya James to be an analyst, di ba? And kapag naka-partner mo si James Martinez, not only is he a high basketball IQ player, a great scorer, a triple-double machine, si Kuya James, magaling yan mag-analyze eh. Magaling na coach. And hopefully, di ba, I mean, the doors will open up for Kuya James to become an analyst for us. Might not know, sa Born 2001, di ba? Tapos may Camarines Norte team pa,
Wala
di ba?
namang imposible. Dito sa Sinag Liga Asia.
Lalong-lalo na sa Delta Cup.
Totoo.
Different tournament, Ted. Different tournament. Different tournament. Parang FD mo eh. Ito. So, look at that. Oh, what a pass! What a pass!
And then easy 2 points for the side of Bayung Masantol. No, and so if you're Florida Blanca, hindi mo na ito papaabutin na itong double point advantage na itong third quarter kasi mahirap na habulin niya for the fourth quarter.
Pero I want to go back to that pass. To the people watching, as Alquero scores underneath plus a foul, to those people watching, this is a much better angle right here. Look at where the pass is placed, right beside the rim. Kung saan, sasalo at ilalagay mo na lang. If you're the catcher, or if you're the finisher of that alley-oop, perfect na perfect yun. Especially dito sa angle natin eh. To those people watching sa live coverage ngayon, hindi siguro nila napansin until na nilabas ng ating napakagaling na production yung replay na yan. Kaya Emerson, idol. Emerson Molieno, ang aking idolo. Love you, Emerson. Pero yun nga, kita mo perfect na perfect yung pasa na yun. Ang ganda nung lob. If you're the catcher, ikaw yung sasalo ng pasa.
And you're much higher now.
Oo, maano ka din eh.
It would be actually it's a perfect for alley-oop dunk. But
kasi ano na yan eh. Actually kahit hindi dunk eh. Kasi nga sobrang perfect nung pasa kung saan sasalo mo na lang, tapos ilalagay mo na lang sa saring. Kumbaga placement na lang kung tawagin. Ganun na yun. Ganun kaganda yung pasa na yun. And kung gaano kahirap yun, you have to time it. Yung speed ng pasa has to be perfect. As another basket underneath. But this time, it's Speedy Harvey. Can we see another Speedy Harvey third quarter takeover, di ba?
Actually, from an 11-point lead, now it's down to 6. Now down to 5.
Oo. And
A
eto na naman
basket.
ba ang Florida Blanca? Magkakaroon na naman ba silang third quarter
For
comeback?
Speedy Harvey, but then
Yes, we have a timeout here on the floor. Let's take a look at this beautiful behind the back and power layup galing dito kay Speedy Harvey Salvador. Cutting the lead down to just 5 points, 51 to 46.
as we can see here, the beautiful faces watching here at our BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Nakangiti na naman po ang FD ko dito sa tabi ko.
Hindi yan nakangiti.
Hinahanap niya kung nasaan.
Hindi yan nakangiti. Hindi, tinitingnan lang niya yung mga cameraman natin. Tulong-tulong tayo, di ba? Parang guwagwa lang. Tulong-tulong tayo dito sa Sinagliga Asia. I mean, first game pa lang to, ah. Meron pa tayong 4 games, especially
The
yung main
first
event
game of our
talaga.
5 games sa ating long weekend.
Yung main event talaga yung maganda.
It's a nice pass there. And an open 3. But a miss there
Run,
for
run!
Bayung Masantol. And a drive there by
Buntik.
Florida Blanca, but a steal,
Oh, look at
and
that.
it's an easy layup for the Kobe Dalisay of Bayung Masantol.
Talaga, yun na tinag mo na, no? Say his name.
It's
Ian
Kirby.
De La Cruz. Kirby.
Kian de la Cruz.
There you go. As Harvey misses that time. Eto naman, look at that. 4 players para dito sa Bayong Masantol ang tumakbo pababa. But buti na lang, naka-recover tong
The
Florida
timeout
Blanca.
really works for Bayung Masantol.
Oh! Near ankle breaker there for De La Cruz. And ito yung actually yung gusto ko sa laro ni Kian De La Cruz, ha. Walang yabang.
Totoo.
Very humble, very, you know, yung walang attitude. Look at this layup right here, oh.
Pagka-score niya,
Takbo na lang pababa
Takbo
sa
agad.
depensa. No antics, no, walang, well, yung celebration pwede. Oh, what a block by Layug!
oh,
Nadulas
And
lang doon
almost
si
a miss.
Gregorio. Look at Harvey.
it's almost a steal for the side of Bayung Masantol, but then they were able to manage to keep the ball on their side.
Starting to get chippy now. He's starting to get physical. But yun nga, actually, yung Kian De La Cruz, no, emotionless eh. Parang pag fourth quarter lang, pag naka-big basket, ngingit eh, ganon. Or dun siya magpapakita ng emotion. Pero walang yabang. Wala siyang yayabangang player. And those are the kind of players na masarap panoorin as a fan kasi hindi ka maiinis. As again, another alley-oop attempt. Pero Layug just denied that.
But then a steal
Buti
to
ka
the
na yun, ah.
side for the last seconds of our third quarter. 53 to 46 in favor of Masantol, as we can see here. The bench. And here are the highlights. Kian De La Cruz with that easy 2 points.
And ito dito naman si Aldrin Serrano. Tried to catch fire in that third quarter pero biglang nag-clamp down ulit itong Bayong Masantol. But Alquero being that, you know, force in the middle, he needs to be the one to start off this onslaught ng Florida Blanca. Dapat big man manggagaling yan kasi nga napakatangkad. And ito yung napakagandang alley-oop play from Bayong Masantol kanina. Very picture-perfect highlight.
Which makes the leads out 7 again in favor of Bayung Masantol, 53 to 46. As we are now back at the fourth and final quarter of this ballgame, as we can see here.
Direct mic QF din namin dito. Direct mic QF din namin dito.
Bakit po ganito yan dito sa gilid namin?
Direct mic ko. Pero
mamaya,
eto,
pag tinutukan ulit nila, kuya, sasabihin
pero
natin.
this is the crucial quarter for Floridablanca. You have to start hitting your shots. Wala pa silang 3-point conversion in the second half, di ba?
Exactly.
Naalala ko nga kung first half meron ba eh.
Meron,
Meron
dalawa.
isa, dalawa. Diba? Pero dito sa second half, wala pa. In the third quarter, they had nothing going for them from three-point land.
Yung
They have to
dalawa
start
nila
it.
yung dalawa nila nung first half, first quarter.
Oo,
lang.
first quarter
Second
pa.
quarter.
Kaya no second quarter, medyo inaalala ko, parang wala,
Wala.
di ba? Puro three-point play. Yung isa yung kay Manansala. But there you go. That's one thing that Floridablanca needs to do. Box out. Kasi di mo na pwedeng gamitan ng tangkad kasi nga gumagang rebound na itong Bayong Masantol eh. They're starting to gang rebound all the time. Kaya if you're Floridablanca, hindi mo na madadaan doon sa talunan. Hindi mo na madadaan doon sa tangkad. Dapat damayan na ng damayan na din dyan ng box out if you're Floridablanca. And surprisingly nung first half, we don't have an official stat sheet dito, di ba? But, I mean, it felt like to me na konti lang yung kalamangan netong Floridablanca sa rebound than Bayung Masantol, di ba? And they're the taller team. They should be dominating that
But
department.
then sa nakikita nating takbo ng laro,
Oo,
mukha na
iba.
mas mataas na yung rebounding stats na itong Bayong Masantol.
Exactly. I mean,
And a traveling violation
ayun pa, di ba?
for the
Na-traveling
side
pa.
of Floridablanca. Hindi natin na-expect that we can see a second half for this team, especially with Coach Vince Icban. I'm pretty sure he's not happy with how his guys performing.
Kung pwede nga lang siya maglalaro yan eh, para sa nang gagawa, di ba?
But then,
Oo,
a good
Gregorio.
jumper there for Glenn Gregorio. A much-needed two-point shot for the
Oo.
side of Floridablanca.
There you go. If you're Floridablanca, keep it simple lang, di ba? No need for anything fancy. Go, pag naka-basket or hindi, babasa depensa. Pero that's a difficult shot para dito kay Uzi.
Almost 2 minutes of the ball game. Yun pa lang yung unang basket na itong Bayong Masantol for this quarter. Kaya balik lang sa pito ang kalamangan dito.
Offensive foul. Clearly. I mean,
Napangiti ito dun eh.
paano na kasi, paatras na kasi yung defender. Nagkaroon pa ng konting shove itong si Gregorio. That's why it was an easy whistle for the referee. And Coach Vince Icban knew it immediately. Diba? Kita mo na hindi siya nagalit sa referee, nagalit siya sa player niya eh. Paatras na eh. Bakit mo pa kailangan itulak? Wow! Wow!
You know, Enzo, kung mapapansin mo, wala dito si Kian de la Cruz for the fourth quarter.
And yan ang importante if you're Bayong Masantol. We call that the 0 minutes. When they say 0 minutes, it means may star player kayo, tas nasa bench siya. 0 minutes. Kumbaga yung mga minuto na wala yung star player nyo, crucial na crucial yan. Kasi ibig sabihin, eto na yung chance ng other players to shine, step up, para pagbalik ng star player, komportable na yung
And a
kalamangan.
perfect opportunity for the side of Floridablanca. But a missed pass there.
Oo. And actually, to your point, dapat ito na yung time ng Floridablanca na, ay, wala yung Kian de la Cruz.
Especially there's still a lot of
Oo.
minutes. 7 minutes and 26 seconds for this fourth quarter.
Parang sabihin mo na, if you're Floridablanca, wala na yung sakit sa ulo.
Oo.
Wala na yung sakit sa ulo bantayan. Pero kita
But
mo,
then a steal from P.D. Harvey. Meron na tayong sagot, Enzo.
sagot na yung tanong mo. Ako kaya hindi ko kiniklaim na, baka kasi magkapangalan lang eh.
Kaya tinanong kita eh. Kasi di ba na-cover mo na sila.
Kaya agad sagot ko, hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam eh.
Hindi daw po pala magkapatid ng dalawang de la Cruz. Thank you po sa
Pero
mga
nagsabi po ng
sabi po
information.
sa ating Facebook Live.
Kasi hindi po namin matatanong right now kasi naglalaro po sila. But alam mo dito kasi sa Pampanga, 'di ba? Maraming magkakapangalan. I mean, I think correct me if I'm wrong, 'di ba? Maraming Santos.
Oo.
Maraming Santos. Maraming mga magkaka-same last names
A
dito sa
very much
Pampanga.
familiar surname and a 5-point, 3-pointer shot.
Para sa akin,
No good.
idol ko sa basketball dati, taga Pampanga. Santos ang last name eh. Arwin Santos. Sino pa ba? Arwin Santos. Diba? Santos yun, diba? A big pick right there by Uzi. Oh, good strip. 3-on-1. They have to finish this. Yun lang. Sumobra. That was a golden opportunity for Florida Blanca to capitalize the 3-on-1.
Masyadong nagmadali lang.
Oh,
Na-rattle sila sa pagbaba ng bola.
look at that step back jumper galing dito kay Aldrin de la Cruz.
But then here, with the 10 seconds remaining for the shot clock, what will they do? The 3-point shot for Serrano is good. Their first 3-point shot after the first quarter, which cut down the lead to just 4 points. Let's take a look at this.
Layo,
A perfect angle for him. And the 3-point shot is good for the side of Florida Blanca as a timeout in the floor, 57-53. As we can see here, the beautiful faces again.
Yung mga binigyan niya, no?
May binigay ata yung katabi ko kasi dito yung FD ko Ewan ko ba?
Ang bilis, di ba?
Ang bilis!
Yan yung tunay na speed lang.
Here with 6 minutes remaining for our fourth and final quarter of this ballgame, nababa na ng Florida Blanca sa 4 ang kalamangan.
And a steal pa dito
And
by
a steal
Aldrin.
for Aldrin Serrano after
Oh,
the
good
3-point shot.
Good tap right there by Soriano. Might have saved them 2 points.
A good defense for the side of Bayung Masantol.
Nakita mo
Nagawan man siya, di ba? But hinabol niya yung depensa niya dun
Nakita mo
Para
yung hinayang,
hindi siya ma-sure.
Nakita mo yung hinayang ni Coach Vince Icban after the steal. And bola pa ng Bayong Masantol, di
But
ba?
then a good defense din for Aldrin Serrano.
Aldrin Serrano. But Bayong Masantol. And ito may agaw si Alquero.
Ipapabounce niya sana yun sa paa ni Alquero. Kaso, nakuha ni Alquero. Another 3-point shot ba? Attempt for the side of Florida Blanca. But
Good
then
pick
a
and
good
roll.
pass.
Good pick and roll play
And
there.
an easy layup.
Eto na yung... This is the Florida Blanca that I know. This is the Florida Blanca that defeated San Fernando. That is on a 6-1 record. Eto yung Florida Blanca na yun. Execution of plays, the pressure defense. This is their true self. It might be late, but nothing better than this dahil nga 2-point lead na lang Better late than never, di ba, Pen?
From 9 points, the biggest lead of the quarter, down to 2 points. Dalawa na lang ang inahabol dito ng Florida Blanca. The ball possession for the side of Bayung Masantol with Kian de la Cruz back on the hard court. And a drive there. But
Niluwa.
in and out.
Eto, golden
This
chance
is
for
the
Florida
time
Blanca.
for the Florida Blanca to tie this ball game. And an easy layup
Oh!
there.
Tie game na tayo at 57.
We are now tied at 57.
What a comeback for Florida Blanca.
Kian drives. Kian
Grabe.
makes a foul. Pero parang uulitin niya dun yung mga signature moves niya
On his own. Taking out his do-it-yourself kit. Pero
You
tingnan
can see
natin
at this
to.
highlight.
Grabe, what an up fake galing dito kay Serrano.
That
Great
shot
pass by Lopez.
Makes this ball game tied at 57. The first free throw is not good for Kian de la Cruz. Not usual for him,
Oo.
Seeing him
medyo
dominant
nanlamig.
on the 3-point shot line.
Medyo nanlamig ng konti, but second naka-adjust agad siya.
1 and 2 for Kian de la Cruz. Balik sa isa ang kalamangan dito ng Masantol.
Oh, good fake by Gregorio.
What
a basket!
Missed. It bounced on the board and then goes back to the ring.
Grabe naman yung Euro step na yun. Oh!
Kita yon.
What a-
Kitang-kita yon.
What an aerial battle, pero mas mataas daw tumalon itong si Uzi. Pero tingnan mo itong Euro step move dito ni Gregorio.
It's a combination
May
of luck.
emphasis
Eh.
eh. May emphasis yung Euro step niya. And again, this will be a thing that I will monitor. We should monitor in this final 4 minutes of the game, the free throw shooting. At this point, dalawa ng miss free throws dito ng Bayong Masantol.
Kapag ganito dikit ang laban.
Oo, make that 3 miss free throws.
Pinaka-importante for both teams ang kanilang free throw shot.
That was a little bit too hurried para kay Aldrin Serrano.
A missed shot for the side of Bayong Masantol and a drive.
Look at the fight for the ball.
But then, after that,
Good
and
pass.
an easy 2 points for the side of Bayong Masantol.
Tumakbo na kasi pababatong si Serrano eh. Nagkaroon tuloy ng 5-on-4.
And nawalan kasi siya ng bantay dun eh. Nakafocus
Oo.
kasi yung depensa nila sa mga perimeter shooters eh. Ng Florida, ng Bayong Masantol eh. Kaya nalibre siya sa ilalim. But then here, Kerwin Manansala.
Good jumper. There you go. Good execution of the
He
pick and pop.
expected that one to go
Oo.
in.
Eh, ang ganda ng execution nila ng pick and pop eh. Good screen, may switch, pero walang pumunta dun sa screener, nag-pop siya. Automatic na yan for Lopez.
Balik ang kalambangan for Florida Blanca with only 1 point. Almost a
Sabit.
basket
Sabit dun si Alquero.
for the side of Bayong Masantol.
4th personal foul na ni Alquero yun.
And then so ito na naman yung free throw shooting nila.
4
The
na.
4th missed free throw
And
for this 4th and
Third consecutive
quarter.
free throw na ni Uzi. Finally.
But a 1 and 2, which makes this ball game tied again at 61. With 3 minutes and 34 remaining ball possession at the side of Florida Blanca, what will they do? A good
Sayang.
pass there, but then
Nabasa.
may nakabantay. And a drive for Kian De La Cruz, no good for him this time.
Masyado
But a
malalim.
foul called.
Masyado malalim yung atake doon ni Kian De La Cruz. But on the other end, itong Florida Blanca, they were asking initially na i-review lang ng konti kasi sa mukha daw natamaan. But referee says na hindi naman daw sa mukha. Swipe lang. Crucial possession right here for Florida Blanca. Tied tayo at 61. Lopez. DHO with Manansala.
Alam mo, hindi na makaporma dito si Kerwin simula nung pagbalik niya kasi nabantayan na siya eh.
Oh, adjustment talaga yan eh. Oh, good
But
hustle.
then,
Serrano attacks. Serrano, flip shot. Ayaw. And De La Cruz with a rebound.
finally, the ball possession is now on the side of Bayong Masantol. We are still tied at 61 with 2 minutes and 34 seconds remaining for this ball game.
Oh, bodies on the floor.
Almost
Francisco
a steal.
got it. Wow.
What a ball possession
And that'll be the 5th. Panglima na yan dito ni
for the
Alquero.
side of Bayong Masantol.
That is it for Alquero. That's his 5th foul.
See the reaction of head coach Vince Icban after that foul. He knew
ano nga,
that
braso.
he needs Alquero.
5th foul na ni
As
Alquero.
Coach Vince approaches our official table.
And Coach Vince is not happy. He's at the scorer's table right now.
Pinigil na siya dito ng player niya.
He's saying 3 pa lang, but on the official record doon, it says 5. Kailangan na kailangan nila si Alquero kasi ngayon.
Another missed free throw for Allen Sunga. A very much needed 1 point eh.
Oo, and going small ito si Coach Vince Icban.
At
Si
this
Tayag.
time,
Si Tayag ang
every
pinasok
point
niya.
counts, but then a rebound
Ito
for
na.
Aldrin Serrano.
Oh, good tap by
but
Sunga.
a steal there from the side of Bayong Masantol.
Muntik na yun.
Muntik nang maagaw sa kanya yon.
Good pass! What a pass! Pero
But then,
sayang yung
a rebound
finish.
again. A fast play here and an easy layup.
Oh!
And he
Unsportsmanlike
drove
pa
a
ata.
foul.
What a layup galing dito kay Glenn Gregorio. Against the contact. And 3-point play opportunity. And pwede bang maging unsportsmanlike to? A referee threw up the sign.
I thought that it will be an easy layup for
Hard
him.
foul.
But still, nag-contest.
That was a hard foul galing dito kay
Itong
Francisco. Let's see, this will be a big call, and it is.
Yes,
That's
it
a
is
big
an
call.
sportsman-like foul.
Big call right there kasi nga magkakaroon pa ng bonus free throw dito si
For
Gregorio.
Yen Francisco.
And then magkakaroon din ng ball possession pa dito ang Florida Blanca. With 1 minute and 59, that's gonna be a big call. One more free throw for Gregorio and then ball possession pa dito
Yes,
ng
because
Florida Blanca.
sa ganitong pagkakataon, Ensa, na sobrang dikit lang ng laban, this time, every ball possession counts.
What a sequence right there. Good stop from Florida Blanca and great toss-up to Gregorio for the lefty finish.
What a ball game for Florida Blanca.
First
no?
game pa lang to, di ba?
Starting by leading 8 points, being behind by 9 to 12 points, and now, but a missed free throw there. Sorry
ball
agad siya sa bench niya.
Ball possession pa nila to.
But still, it's their ball possession. One stop at a time, one ball possession at a time.
Small ball to small ball lineup ang nasa floor. A one-on-one. Great drive. What an attack galing dito kay
easy.
Lopez. They cleared
Mukhang
out the
easy sa kanya
floor.
yung drive na yun, eh, no?
Oh, counter. Quick counter galing dito sa Bayung Masantol.
But then an easy drive there for the side of Bayung Masantol. But still, dalawa pa rin ang kalamangan dito ng Florida Blanca. Paano nila aalagaan to for the 1 minute and 30 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter.
Lopez na naman. Oh, what a block by Francisco.
And he was blocked there. Expected
Ito na,
na eh.
Uzi. Layup ties the game at 85.
And a timeout there for Coach Vince Ikban.
Great quick attack galing dito kay Uzi. Nakita niya walang bababang defender to
Let's
stop
take a
him.
look at there.
There's
What
the
a
block by
It comes from
Francisco.
the block and then pinaba and then an easy drive. for
Nawala pa yung
Uzi,
bola kay Uzi,
which
ah.
ties the ball game at 65. As we can see here, the Santa Ana United getting ready for this for this second ball game, and here on the left, on the other side is the Minalin
All-Stars. Ready na yan.
As we approach the last 1 minute and 14 seconds of this ball game, we are still tied at 65 with a beautiful drive there from the side of Bayung Masantol. A ball
Crucial
possession
possessions.
for the side of Florida Blanca. They're making
Good defense.
the most out of the time.
Oh, good up fake by Serrano.
But then, the basketball IQ of this guy is different at this time. At
Eto na,
even,
yung Uzi na naman. Uzi. Foul is whistled there. Is it on Manansala? But look at this once again. Good drive and great up fake by Aldrin Serrano. Got two defenders to jump up. As Uzi's now on the free throw line. Knocks down the first one. 45 seconds natitira sa ating laro.
so na lang ang kalamangan. And if it's 2-2, we're tied again at 67. There you go. We are
Good
now
na.
again tied at 67. A ball possession for the side of Florida Blanca.
And they give it to the hot hand.
Serrano.
They give it to the man who's been
Where
scoring.
will he go? What will he do actually?
Long
At
three-pointer.
three-point. A very crucial three-point shot for him.
They went for the two. They went for the 2 for 1.
But then it's almost a steal there.
It is
And
a steal. And jump ball. Bola ng Masantol to. This will be their ball. Ball possession arrow points the way of Masantol.
It was actually a good steal
Muntikan na.
for the side of Florida Blanca. You can see here the huddle of Bayung Masantol securing their play for the last 22 and 8 seconds of this ball game.
And this is also their final timeout. Samantalang dito for Coach Vince Icban, may isa pa siya. So for Coach Aldrey Lacap, you're going to put all the chips right now on the table for the final, well, I would say 16 seconds, di ba? But 22.8 seconds, you will also map out the defensive stop din dito. Kasi with that shot clock, with the 6-second different shot clock, game clock, babalik pa ang bola for sure dito sa panig ng Florida Blanca. And since wala ka nang timeout if you Coach Aldrey Lacap, you're going to have to map out 2 plays. One on the offensive end and the another one on the defensive end. So let's see. Watch out for De La Cruz right here. Francisco attacks the basket. Francisco block right there. What a
clean block
denial by
there.
Layog. Jean Layog saves the day, and Gregorio to Serrano. Misses, but Manansala with a putback.
Needed putback for Kerwin Manansala right there.
Oh, a steal. What a steal for Lopez.
Enzo, a very, very change of favors. Just a different Florida Blanca we see for this fourth and final quarter of this ball game.
Grabe. No timeouts now para dito sa Bayong Masantol, but let's take a look at that. The Layog block.
From the pass there.
Oh, and it leads to a Serrano layup.
A miss
Mintis.
there,
But look at
a
that.
putback by Kerwin Manansala. That guy has been quiet for the third and fourth quarter.
Grabe, what a sequence. Started with the Layog block, one of the best shot blockers in this province. Fouled out si Alquero, they lean on to Jean Layog. And then Kerwin Manansala saving the day with that putback. What a way to finish the game, but 10.3 seconds, marami pang oras to. 2-point lead, anything can still happen with the talent ng Bayong Masantol.
Ngayon, Enzo, nakikita ko na yung sinasabi mo kanina about Coach Vince Icban.
I told you. Pero ito, let's look at that final possession dito. The pass was a little bit too strong for Kian De La Cruz. And then look at out of nowhere, Lopez just taps the ball. And then isi-save niya. Papunta dito kay Uzi. Yung bola, and it tumama pa sa paa ni Uzi. So bola pa dito ng Florida Blanca.
And
What
look
a sequence
at the
for them.
reaction of the Florida Blanca players.
They trailed the entire second half, and now they have a chance to seal the deal. Dito, 10.3 seconds na lang natitira. Our referees also checked the clock, and that's why they're going to the scores table right now.
With both teams here on penalty if they draw a foul.
Naayos nila yung oras. It's actually 7.3 seconds. So napa-iksi pa yung oras mo if you're Bayong Masantol. Pagka-inbound, if you're Bayong Masantol, you can't get the quick steal. Go for the foul agad. But again, no timeouts remaining. Gregorio, there's the quick foul. And if ma-shoot neto ni Glenn Gregorio yung parehong free throws, they're in a good position to win this game. 5.5 seconds, no timeouts. And Coach Vince Icban wisely tinangkaran niya yung kanyang lineup. Pasok ulit, Jean Layog.
It's clearly Enzo for the rebound. No? If the second free throw misses, alam niya that he has a taller guy inside the court.
The tallest guy on the court, di ba? Big miss by Gregorio. He needs to make the second one. He needs to make the second one and they need a stop.
Because 5.5 seconds is still long for Bayung Masantol to tie this game.
And there you go, 3-point lead. Now you have to defend. No fouls, especially on a 3-point shooter. Oh, dangerous pass! And look at that, they did not want that foul. Coach Vince Icban scratching his head. They didn't want that foul.
2.3 seconds remaining at our fourth and final quarter of this ball game. Hindi mo nagugustuhin pa. And a substitution again for Coach Vince Icban. Florida Blanca.
Hear the drums
Sumisenya
dito.
siya. Mag-ingay kayo. But sabi ni Uzi,
Now here's the situation. Do you make or miss the free throw? If you miss, you hope that one of your teammates get the rebound and put it back up quickly. Down by 2. Second free throw. There's the miss. Pero yun lang. Free throw violation. The ball has to hit the rim first.
alam mo kung ano yung nakita ko, Enzo, he intended to miss it eh.
He was going to
And
do
then
that.
he's going to go for the rebound. But then, hindi pa tumatama yung bola sa ring.
And there you go. That'll do it na. Great job right here. Florida Blanca will now seal a twice-to-beat advantage in the playoff rounds. 7-1 na ang kanilang record. What a comeback for Coach Vince Icban's boys. Grabe, what a first game dito in our Saturday quintuple header. They really sealed the deal in the final minutes of the ball game. And everyone sa team netong Florida Blanca talagang nag-ambag dito sa panalo nila. Yan ang ating final score, 70-68, a 2-point victory for ABE ABE King Panyulong Florida Blanca, and they now improve one more time to 7-1 sa ating bracket B dito sa Delta Cup. What a ball game para dito sa Florida Blanca. Again, 7-1 na ang kanilang standing dito at kasama ko na ngayon ang ating best player of the game. Walang iba kundi si Aldrin Serrano. Aldrin, congratulations. Grabe, nagtitrail kayo buong second half. And ikaw yung talagang nagpahabol para sa team mo. Ano yung tumatakbo sa isip mo, especially nung last 2 minutes ng ball game kung saan nagpapalitan lang kayo ng lead? At sinabi mo ba na parang kailangan kong mag-take over sa depensa at sa opensa para manalo kami?
Sinasabi ng coach namin, kailangan lang daw namin lahat mag-step up at bumawi sa second half. At saka, panalo na ito.
Well, nanalo na nga kayo, Aldrin, pero ito ang sitwasyon ninyo. 7-1 na record nyo, number 1 seed sa bracket B. As of now, meron na kayong twice-to-beat advantage coming into the playoffs. Gaano ka-importante ba yung twice-to-beat na yon para sa inyo?
Malaking bagay sa amin yung pagiging twice to beat.
And ngayon, Aldrin, may mga next few games pa naman kayo dito sa Delta Cup. Go ahead na invite mo naman ang mga fans mo. At syempre, pasalamatan mo na yung mga sumusuporta sa inyo ngayon.
Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa mayor namin sa Florida, tsaka sa mga sumusuporta sa Florida, tsaka sa pamilya ko, sa mama ko, sa papa ko, tsaka sa pamilya Manansala, pamilya Serrano, at tsaka sa mga kaibigan ko sa Valdez. Yan, binabati ko sila.
Once again, Aldrin, congratulations. Go ahead and enjoy this victory with your teammates. That is Aldrin Serrano, our best player of the game. Dito nga sa ating first game sa Delta Cup for Florida Blanca. What a victory. They now seal a top seed dito. 7-1 na ang kanilang record sa bracket B. Pero, mga kabalen, hindi po dyan nagtatapos ang ating coverage dito sa Delta Cup dahil first game pa lang natin yan. Coming up next, it's the battle between the Minalin All-Stars and Santa Ana United. Susunod na po yan dito lang sa 2024 Delta Cup, but that ends our first game of this Saturday quintuple header for Penelope Wilhelmina. This is Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direk Nomar Santiago, Direk Don Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, Dito Gear Incorporated, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, this has been your 2024 Delta Cup.